support, Team Love, Team Mokya, Team Good Vibes, Team Manok ni Makipi, Soward Fanatics of Mami, my love shout out, and thank you for all of your supports to my channel and also to Yaya Rosary. Good morning mga ka-Flexi. I am here in the function room of Arellano University School of Law for our reading of honors grade 11 and grade 12 students. So our time is 7 a.m. so we are here fixing the tables, the rostrum and the chairs for our visitors and the students. It's yan ang faculty. Then on the other side we have here the admin. Okay. Yan ang gas. So dito po sa loob mga ka-Flexi, napakalamig po. Yan. So may TV din po siya. Gas po dito, then sa kabila ang ABM. Kasi medyo siksikan po mga kapatid. ABM students. Kasi mamaya pa po sila. Then yung sports. Ayan, sila. And ICT ang yung sa pinakalikod po ang STEM. Okay. So pinakamarami po ang STEM. So ayan po siya ang pagbuo. STEM.
Ordinario together with the subject teachers. Please give them. By Ms. Cheryl May Ladinas, together with the subject teachers, please give them a round of applause. From Information and Communication Technology Department, headed by Mr. Anton Cobardo, together with the subject teachers, please give them a round of applause. From Sports Draft, headed by Mr. Rebby Caperla, together with the subject teachers, please give them a round of applause. And from Science and Technology, Engineering and Mathematics Department, headed by Ms. Nina Naol, together with the subject teachers, please give them a round of applause. The grade 11 advisors, may I call Mr. Beethoven B. de la Trinidad, the ABM 11A advisor. Mrs. Stephanie Ann B. Bernola, ABM 11B advisor. Mr. Rusty Barlantan, ABM 11C advisor. Mr. Mark Diaz Natural, GAS 11A advisor. Mr. Amelimo Arieta, Youth 11A advisor. Let's give them a round of applause. Ms. Marina Stephanie Elsa D. Garcia, Youth 11B advisor. Ms. Charlene Bulanon, Youth 11C advisor. Mr. Las Christian Antrojo, ICT 11A advisor. And Ms. Nina Naon, the ICT 11B advisor. Abilio, the Stand 11A Advisor. Ms. Rosala Tomas, the Stand 11B Advisor. Ms. Karen Omar, the Stand 11C Advisor. Ms. Vanessa N. Joaquin, the Stand 11B Advisor. And Mr. Arnal Tambante, the Stand 11A Advisor. Let's give them a round of applause.
Ganda!
And of course, please welcome our performance audit coordinator, Ms.
Say hi to my
Marty
vlog.
Tumani, our guidance counselor, Ms. Renal Punzalan.
Nawala akong ayos-ayos.
Ay! Maganda naman dyan!
Balik na ako sa ano ba? Backstage. Babunga ako.
Sirland.
Ano?
Maligit.
May I request everyone to stand up. And now let us all welcome our assistant school principals, Ms. Helen Villegas and Mr. Johnny Bizuya, accompanied with our school principal, Mr. Dean Joseph B. Berena. Please give them a round of applause.
Ilang matangkad. Ayun si Ma'am Char. Kasama si Ma'am Char sa vlog ko.
Ay, sige.
Hi, Ma'am Char.
Nagtatago si Ma'am Charmy.
Ay, ba yan?
Di ma'am, Lakano.
Sa vlog yan.
To formally start our program, may I request everyone to please remain standing for the invocation to be led by Mark Lawrence O. Manley and sing the national anthem, the Arellano Hymn, and the AU-AU-LCU.
Let us bow our head. Perseverance, and excellence of our young scholars. In the journey of education, there are moments that stand out as milestones. And today is one such significant milestone. It is a testament to the hard work, resilience, and commitment that our students have shown throughout their academic endeavors. Each one of you has put in countless hours in study, displayed remarkable curiosity, and demonstrated a commendable ability to overcome challenges. To the parents and guardians, your unwavering support and encouragement have been instrumental in your children's success. You have nurtured their dreams and stood by them through every step of their educational journey. Today, we share this moment of pride and joy with you. To our dedicated teachers and staff, your passion for teaching and your commitment to nurturing the minds of our students have not gone unnoticed. You have guided, mentored, and inspired these young individuals to reach their highest potential. Your efforts have laid the foundation for their success, and for that, we are deeply grateful. To our students, today we celebrate not just your academic achievements, but also the values of hard work, integrity, and perseverance that you have embodied. These values will serve you well in all your future endeavors. Remember, this is just the beginning. Continue to strive for excellence and remain curious and never stop learning. The world is full of opportunities.
Nandito sa likod eh.
medalist Herbiba Dubaton.
Ensuing competition, we have Justin Gallardo from EBM 11A, because silver medalist.
Justin Gallardo, silver medalist. Silver medalist LeBron James Tayo. Bronze medalist Bea Alessia. Gold medalist for badminton competition division meet Shane Paul Polayopol. Gold medalist badminton competition division meet Elliot Denzel Sumario.
Ria Jemima C. Capapas with honors. Shane Paul F. Polayopol with honors. Elame D. Mateo with honors. Mylene Jane Tahugar with honors. Mark Christian B. Anagaran with honors. ABM 11C with high honors. Yushika Blanchi B. Sistina with high honors. Kirsten Abigail O. Garcia with high honors.
Alena, ang brilyante ng hangin.
Si Rivera with honors.
Shoutout dyan.
Shoutout Sir Lance. Ayan.
Ayan.
Hi, Ma'am Dinar.
Mark, ano yun?
Aisilin E. Sevandra with honors. Maria A. Torres with honors.
Dito po, kami dito na